Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life with Dr. Neelam. Hello guys, I am Dr. Neelam and I have lost 25 kgs of weight within just 8 months with the right diet, exercise regimen and the nutrition. So guys, I am here to tell you how to lose weight with the help of nutrition and the diet recipes and all about the weight loss. So guys, today's recipe is gonna be a keto recipe, which is going to be a keto saag, which is called as the sarson ka saag in India. This is a keto recipe which is called as the sarson ka saag and keto saag. It is made up of 3 green leafy vegetables. You have to show a little more creativity if you want new recipes every time in keto. You have to add paneer to the same, sometimes tofu or chicken. Green curry is made up by combining 3 green leafy vegetables or sometimes 5 leafy green vegetables. So this is the mustard green. So we'll take at least 1 bunch of mustard green, and then we'll take, this is the bathua, we'll take 1 bunch of bathua also. And this is the favorite of all on the keto diet. It is the spinach. You can take just 1 bunch of spinach and add 2 others. Just wash and cut all the 3 bunches together, and you have to keep it for boiling and just boil it. You can see the final result. It will be like this. Now you just have to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let the greens cool down, and then you have to make puree out of it. Just blend it with your blender or use grinder. Now just add the hing to the ghee, and this is the cumin. My sweet mother-in-law is making this recipe for you guys and for me. And now we'll add the garlic and ginger. You can even make paste out of it. You just give it the best taste. And now we'll just add chopped green chilies. See, we are making this recipe for 6 to 8 people, so we are making a lot of sarson ka saag. Now add 3 chopped onions to this. You just add according to the quantity what you want or what you are making actually. So now it's a controversial topic for the keto. People say that the onions and tomatoes are not allowed in the keto, though it is not so. They are allowed in the keto, but they are allowed in very less quantity. So because I am making this recipe, I take onion in keto in less quantity. So even you can do that. Just add less quantity of onion to your recipe. Now you just have to add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Let it cook for at least 2 minutes. Now you just have to add that gravy to this green puree and your keto saag is ready. You can have it. Add ghee or the butter on the top of your recipe. Guys, this is the final product. That's how it looks when you will serve it. Guys, as I have told you before also, you just show some creativity and add some paneer or sometimes tofu and just add some chicken to this. So guys, you can have this in a lot of quantity. There is no quantity boundation for this recipe in keto. Hope you enjoyed it. So guys, if you like my recipe, just give it a big thumbs up and try it out. So guys, just follow me on other social medias like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So guys, just comment down below if you have any queries regarding the weight loss or any diet plan, any recipe, and just subscribe to my channel. So guys, whenever I'll post a new video, you'll get the notifications of my videos. Thank you so much.